Well, hello there and happy Monday! I'm Monica Wofford, and this is your Monday Moment. Now, in recent Monday Moment episodes, we mentioned the concept of calibration. In fact, we call them calibration meetings, and they are a chance for leaders to spend one-on-one time with those they lead, creating alignment in expectations, goals, and performance. But how do you conduct those meetings exactly? How do you calibrate a human or align with someone with whom you currently may not be in alignment? These aren't cars, after all. They're people. But on that note, just like doing work on a vehicle, developing employees and people takes planning, parts, so to speak, and preparation. And yes, sometimes you can do all those things and something or some light still goes off that makes that work urgent. But overall, you'll find success when you follow the same process. Firstly, preparation is when you determine your own expectations and come up with 2 goals you'd like to give each person. This is also when you ask them to come up with 1 goal or more, and that they'd be willing to share with you at your meeting. Second, your parts, if you will, are the clear expectations you have of those you lead, aligned with who they are versus who you wish they would be, and your goals for their development. These can be different for each team member or the same for all members of the team you have the privilege of leading. Third, plan the meeting. And plan a loose flow of what you're going to say in that meeting. Go over what you expect. Ask them what they expect and clarify if they're off target. Then, talk goals and how you'll achieve them. You won't avoid every urgent situation or every pitfall with a calibration meeting and alignment of your desires and theirs, but you will have a much smoother ride on the path of their performance, and you'll have built a relationship that makes it much easier, if needed, to talk about the tough stuff. I'm Monica Wofford, and let's keep talking leadership.